Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. This is Divya Agarwal from Unacademy. So today I am very excited and very proud on my student Teja. I would like to welcome, and first of all I would like to congratulate Teja on his performance. What was your reaction on knowing your score?
When I came to know about my score, I felt very happy, ma'am.
Yeah.
Actually, on the day of my exam, I was very feared to see that the exam was very tough. But after some days, when I came across the key, I felt satisfied, and my performance is up to the mark that I prepared, ma'am. I
That
felt
is so
happy with my score, ma'am.
that is really very good. So Teja, actually paper, how was like आपको paper कैसा लगा? How was it? 2021 का students were saying that the paper was little tricky, little difficult. About as you have scored very well, you know it is extremely good. So आपका कैसा performance? आपको कैसा लगा? How you have done?
Madam, the paper is a little bit tricky, but the problems are somewhat very calculative, ma'am.
Calculative.
In depth, and the organic questions or physical questions are given in depth, ma'am. We have to think and answer them, ma'am. There is a more chance to mark wrong answers, ma'am.
Yeah. So finally आपने तो बिल्कुल मैक्सिमम सही किया है, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया है. Like we are really proud on you. So Teja, how was your journey? Like you told me that I just started in third year, and then you are from where you have started your preparation?
From organic chemistry, ma'am. At the first time I saw your classes in academy.
Okay.
And I am very interested, ma'am. At the first time I saw reagents classes, ma'am, especially the reducing agents.
Okay.
And I liked your teaching style, and I followed an academy, ma'am.
Okay.
From the first year, from BSc first and second year, I read a lot of books, ma'am, but not with a proper planning. I just read books and understand the subject. That's all, ma'am. Okay. In the final year, in the exam orientation, I prepared, ma'am.
Okay, that is really very good. So Teja, like you are following Unacademy since 1 year, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, what would you like to suggest to students? Like, which classes help you most? Like plus classes, special classes, YouTube classes, or quizzes, or test series? Which part you liked most, and which helped you in cracking the exam with a very good marks?
All are important, ma'am. No, nothing is less, ma'am.
But
all the collective effort. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Plus classes, in that we solve previous year questions, and the subject is told in depth, ma'am, which helps me not only in this entrance examination but also in my BSc examination for understanding the subject oriented questions. Also in the YouTube sessions also, many educators start some small topics and their previous year questions, ma'am, which are also very helpful. In special classes also, there are some special topics you taught, ma'am. So these are all collective effort, helps us very lot, ma'am, for students. If anyone wants to write JAM exam, I would say that start preparation from now itself. That is, whether you are in first year or second year, start from now and give your full effort.
Okay, that is
don't take it.
So Teja, how you managed your college along with the JAM preparation on Unacademy? Because the query which I used to get from students is this only, that ma'am, we have our college and we have Unacademy classes and we have our study time. We have to take out the self-study time also. So how can I manage all this? So as you told me that you are from third year only, BSc third year, so you must also be facing the same problem. So what you would like to suggest our students, how they can prepare for the same?
For all students, it is a deep problem, ma'am, that whether we have to concentrate on BSc marks or whether we have to concentrate on the entrance exam. Coming to myself, I gave a lot importance to JAM exam, ma'am. But I didn't neglected this BSc subjects. Okay. But a limited time is given to them. For example, in a day, if I study chemistry for 3-4 hours, I study the BSc subjects for at least 3 hours or 3.5 hours. Compared to in South, our university syllabus is very easy, ma'am. When compared to that of North, I came to check the syllabus.
Okay.
So it managed, ma'am.
So how many hours you used to give to an academy while preparation?
Madam, in a lockdown period, I am
Come
free.
in my live classes, I know that regularly you are my regular student. Just wanted to
Ah,
ask
yes,
how you
ma'am.
manage, because many students used to say that, ma'am, we cannot come because we are not able to, manage the time, educators, everything. So how you manage? You can be inspiration for many of our students. How you managed, and you scored a very good marks. So yeah, please.
Madam, actually, lockdown period helped me a lot. When I was free, I was able to listen to an academic classes just 5 to 5.5 hours a day, ma'am.
Okay.
I followed organic chemistry on an academy, and I studied physical chemistry by own, ma'am. I read books, ma'am.
Okay.
In organic chemistry also, I followed an academy and practiced mock tests, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Per day, 5 to 6 hours is enough, ma'am.
Okay.
It's
5 to
just
6
because
hours.
yes, ma'am. Physical chemistry is self-study, ma'am. I studied textbook and practiced a lot of problems, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. That is
I'm
really
very interested in mathematics, ma'am. So I followed my own path, ma'am,
okay. That is
regarding
great.
physical
Yeah.
chemistry.
Yeah, that is really very good. So Teja, this JAM exam was online. So did you face any difficulty while giving the exam, or you were nervous or something like that? You are it is easily manageable, or it was quite difficult for you?
Madam, previously I have attempted 3 to 4 online exams, ma'am. So
Okay.
it is not that much difficult.
Okay.
But once a student is confident about the calculations, ma'am. Calculator, when we are doing some big calculations, there is a little bit confusion about the operating the calculator.
Okay.
So everyone should know it before the exam only, so that you don't face any difficulties while writing the exam, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Perfect.
One
Yeah.
has to be familiar with the online calculator that is provided in JAM exam or GATE exam, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Yes, Teja, definitely, because otherwise it will be like students will not be able to, if someone is attempting the exam for the first time, for the very first time, then that virtual calculator and all that stuff becomes hectic. So that's why, because many students face this difficulty during virtual calculation is quite difficult for them.
To
So
avoid this, one has to give as many as mock tests as possible, ma'am, so
yeah,
that so that he gets very familiar to the system, ma'am.
perfect, perfect. So, Teja, how an academy courses, an academy educators, batches, mock test help you? I mean, like we have in an academy, we have loads of educators, top educators. They're very good in their own way. Along with that, we have loads of batches. We have loads of individual courses. So, what was your strategy? How many educators you have followed? You have followed batches, or you have followed individual courses? Okay, so what was your strategy? What would you, suggest for the upcoming students, those who are going to join an academy, or those who are already on an academy, so that, how you followed, how many educators you followed at a time, and what was your strategy in an academy? How you managed an academy?
Madam, when I was in BSc second year, that is in the month of from the February onwards, I started seeing special classes in an academy, ma'am, especially your organic chemistry classes.
Okay,
And
yeah,
I liked the way of
in my classes. Yeah.
I liked the way of teaching, and I taken plus subscription in May, ma'am.
Perfect.
For organic chemistry, I followed your classes, only your classes, ma'am. I never followed anyone.
Okay.
But for physical chemistry, especially for quantum chemistry, I followed Harshita Kurana, ma'am, and Anil sir, ma'am.
Okay.
Regarding that, there are very, very good educators on an academy, ma'am. The subject you tell or the way you approach the questions or solving is very helpful for us, ma'am.
Okay.
Compared to all other platforms, and even compared to our college professors also, the academy educators are very capable of teaching the subject in a very effective way. It has helped us a lot to approach the solving pattern of a question. And apart from, I followed YouTube classes and special classes, or even after joining the plus subscription also, it is very important to follow all of them, so that there will be a tone in the preparation and it will boost your preparation. Uh, in addition to that, it is very important to give at least 3 to 4 mock tests per month, ma'am.
Yeah.
So it is very important to give mock test, and it is much important to analyze the answers in the mock test. Many students fail to analyze them and they just write the mock test. So we got 60 or 70 marks, it's very happy. But we have to analyze the mock test with the same interest you have written the mock test, ma'am. So analyzation will improve your understanding in the subject, ma'am.
So, okay, Teja. So, what are the special books? Like, are there any special books that you feel have helped you with JAM? Like, apart from Unacademy educators and apart from the Unacademy special classes, YouTube sessions, and mock test series, what other books you have followed for organic, inorganic, and physical? If you can tell me this.
Madam, for physical chemistry, I have followed Puri Sharma physical chemistry.
Okay, Puri
And
Sharma,
some
what one?
concept.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
For some concepts, I have referred Atkins physical chemistry, ma'am.
Okay, Atkins.
Atkins is a very good book, ma'am. It's a
Yeah,
conceptual book.
Obviously.
In organic chemistry, I have read some concepts in Claydon, ma'am,
Claydon.
and some of the reagents part and name reactions from Caruthers, ma'am.
Caruthers and Claydon. Perfect.
In Caruthers, the language is very, very tricky, ma'am. One has to understand.
It's a sort of research paper,
Ah,
and
yes, ma'am.
solutions also you'll not get. It's just a question and answer. In between, you have to draw that mechanism.
But the book is very interesting, ma'am.
Yeah.
Especially the reagents part and the name reactions.
Exactly.
I have read it from Caruthers, ma'am.
Yeah.
For inorganic chemistry also, I have referred Puri Sharma, ma'am. Puri Sharma Kalia.
Kalia.
Inorganic chemistry.
Okay. Okay.
That's all, ma'am.
So these books helped you in the exam, like you find the questions, like Caratha directly from Claydon, some of the questions were directly copy pasted. You must have
yes, ma'am.
seen, right? Yeah. So that we used to tell that Caratha and Claydon, they are the Bibles of organic chemistry, right?
Yes,
Teja?
ma'am.
Yeah, that is perfect. So Teja, tell me about what are your hobbies apart from like jam, kab se main kar rahi hu, jam. Tell me something about your hobbies. What are your hobbies and how often you pursue them?
Madam, generally I am a nature lover, ma'am.
Nature lover.
When I'm yes, ma'am.
Perfect.
Whenever I was free, I used to go fields or some beaches in our surroundings, ma'am.
Okay.
Apart from that, I used to play games like shuttle and tennis, ma'am.
Okay.
And indoor games like chess and caroms. The sports play a very important role in giving a relaxation while doing anything, ma'am.
Perfect.
Yes, ma'am. Daily for 1 or 2 hours, I play games, ma'am.
Okay. Like outdoor games used to play, right?
Yes, ma'am. It helps
outdoor.
very lot. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is physical activity, just because so that your brain can get activated and more of endorphin and different
Yes,
chemicals
ma'am.
can release and make you
Our
happy.
body cells gets activated when once there will be a physical or mental exercise, ma'am.
Exactly. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. So Teja, who is your idol? Who is your idol and or your biggest inspiration in life and why?
My grandfather is my biggest inspiration in my life, ma'am.
Grandfather. Okay. Tell me
Yes,
something
ma'am.
about him. Yeah. How he's your idol, like?
Madam, he came from a poor farmer family and he studied MSc chemistry, organic chemistry only.
Wow.
And yes, ma'am. He has currently been working as a professor and now he's retired, ma'am.
Okay.
He's a very good teacher, ma'am.
Okay.
I get inspired by the way he faced many difficulties while studying MSc. He is a blind person, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Even though a very good teacher, ma'am. From now he has been teaching for many students, ma'am. Many students like me and my friends also. We used to go his classes, ma'am.
Okay. That is really, like, I am myself, it's really very nice, Teja, and perfect. Okay.
The way he explains chemistry inspired me a lot, even from my childhood, ma'am. So that I cultivated interest in chemistry And I decided in my mind to choose science as a career, ma'am.
Okay, that is really
And
very
my
good.
aim is, my goal is to be a good teacher, ma'am. I
Oh,
have to explain chemistry as simply as possible to all the students without any difficulty, ma'am.
definitely you will be, Teja. You are really you. It's been like you are inspiring me now. So Teja, what are your future plans at present? Which college are you targeting right now?
Madam, based upon rank, I am planning to join IIT Madras or IIT Kanpur, ma'am.
Okay, IIT
And
Madras or
not,
IIT Kanpur. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Based upon rank, I will decide the
You will
exact
take.
college, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay.
Uh, I am not planning to do any research, ma'am. After MSc,
Hmm.
I have to enter the teaching field, ma'am. That's
Okay.
my interest, ma'am.
Okay, you will be joining. Is somewhere you'll be going for teaching only.
Teaching field, ma'am.
Yeah.
Teaching field.
Okay, okay. That is really very good. What, how you de-stress yourself? Like as you told me that your hobbies are to play outdoor games, right? But during
Yes, ma'am.
jam, like when you were preparing with us on an academy at that time, many times you must have given lots of mock tests and test series, and obviously sometimes you must have scored low. So at that time you must have felt demotivated. So at that time, how you de-stress yourself, how you get yourself out from that de-stress mode? Because some students just get stressed and they just leave in between, or they just feel as if that I cannot do because of the low score. Because many of the students I have myself seen that they are getting low marks, so they just left in between jam preparation. Many of my students, those are very regular, and they just left just because of that demotivation. So how you maintain that consistency, that perseverance during throughout your this preparation of jam 21, Teja?
Madam, the marks of mock test are not final. They are
Exactly.
just to assess your performance. Based on that, what you have to study and how you have to work, we have to decide it's a final exam, ma'am.
Hmm.
So mock test, the name itself suggests mock. It is before exam, not that is the only exam.
Exactly.
So no student should get demotivated by seeing mock test, ma'am. Even I got very less marks in some mock tests, ma'am.
Hmm.
But I never minded about the marks and I succeeded in preparing, ma'am.
Exactly.
Meditation helps us a lot, ma'am, to de-stress or to remind what you have studied and recalling. And
Yeah.
I learned a lot of meditation techniques from your classes, ma'am.
Thank you for that. So, matlab you're
Uh,
following my meditation classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So means you used to meditate and you used to do all the stuff which I used to tell in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Recall, revision, and meditation. All three you are practicing.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
That is
practicing.
perfect.
It's
Perfect.
very
So you
helpful,
should
ma'am.
say this word to other students so that at least they will also practice the same and get ranks just like you, get marks just like you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You know that you are inspiration of thousands of students across the country. So do you have any message for the future aspirants on tracking the JAM exam? What are your words for them, which can inspire them, help them, and boost them get the same rank or better than you in the upcoming JAM 2022?
I suggest them to be clear about concepts, ma'am. Don't directly solve questions. When you read textbooks, you can get good knowledge. After that, you go for questions.
Mhm.
Even reading only textbooks is not that 100% effort, ma'am.
Mhm.
Whenever you study a topic, you have to solve and practice the questions, and you have to recall it at the frequency of for 1 month. We have to recall what you studied in the month, and we have to make a strategy according to that in the next month, ma'am. For the aspirants, my message is give your 100% effort and prepare fully. Just prepare dedicatedly towards the exam, not for a time pass. Don't get demotivated.
So thank you so much, Teja, for joining with me, for having this beautiful conversation with me on the platform of an academy. So Teja, definitely will connect with you soon. Thank you so much for joining. And once again, I would like to congratulate and thank you so much for being the inspiration of an academy. You are inspiring me as an educator. You are inspiring all the people all around who will be listening to you after this lecture. So thank you so much, Teja, for joining. Have a beautiful life. I just would like to congratulate you and also all the very best for your future endeavors. See you soon. Okay, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.